Alright, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Alright, so question 1. Express an algebraic fraction. Add 8 to x, then subtract y from the result, then you divide the answer by z. Alright. Come on, let's go, let's go. Okay, which one? Which one? The red, the blue, the yellow, the green, or the purple? Come on, don't give out answer on the chat. Okay, and also don't give the wrong answer on the chat. But I think it's purple. 11 more seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Come on, those who haven't, 2 more person haven't put the answer. Come on, just try your luck. Yes, the correct answer is red. Okay, because you're gonna add 8 to x. Okay, when you add 8 to x, you got x plus 8. Then you subtract y. That's why there's a minus y. Then you divide by z. Okay. Okay. Are we ready to see who is the top 5 right now for the first question? Alright. Let's go. Alright, we got a soaring hand. Okay. Okay, with a 977 points. Okay. Then, okay, actually, the second, the third, and the fourth, okay, very close to each other. You all can easily climb up, okay? So you got 6-7, 6-6, 6-4. So this is very close. And then the fifth place with 949 points, okay? So you can see the points on your screen right now. You know how much you all need to catch up, okay? The highest is at 977 and the fifth place is at 949, okay? So the next question, if you got it correct, you can climb up. If you got it even faster, you can get even more points, alright? So before we go to the next question, okay, you can share this live to your friends, okay, they can get to see the quiz, okay. Alright, for those who are asking about secondary school math, right, we also have a secondary school math for TikTok live, okay, so look out on our website, okay, or our Facebook for the post, okay, for the update on when is the math lessons. Alright, let's go to the next question. Yeah, so this was the solution that I explained earlier, right? You see, you add 8 to x, it becomes x plus 8. And then when you subtract, you minus. So you got x plus 8 minus y. Then you divide the whole thing by z. That's why you put you put that whole term on the numerator because you're dividing by the whole thing. Alright? Alright, so for those who are looking for extra practice, right, you can go to our Telegram at MasterMaths PSLE. Alright, now let's go to the next question. Another algebraic expression. Okay, so firstly we divide 8 by x, then multiply g to the result, and lastly add z to the answer. Alright, let's go, let's go. Which one it is? Alright. I think it's purple. If there's no purple, then I think you click the white color. Confirm correct. Okay, 13 more people to answer. 10 more. 9 more. Come on, work your brain. 28 of you got it correct. Good job. Okay. So 2% forgot to do the divide. Okay. And then I think those who select yellow, I mentioned multiply by g, right? So how come the g is at the denominator? Alright, okay. And the green, yeah, I also mentioned to multiply by G, not subtract by G lah. Okay. Okay. Alright, now let's see what happened to the top 5. Okay, the second place just now climbed up to the first place. Good job. Okay, then we got new competitors in the fifth place. We got a green falcon, a dandy crane, and an amazing gator. Okay. So the first place is now at 1,917. The last place is at, the fifth place is at 1,832. So if you want to climb up to that fifth place, you need to beat that score. Alright. Alright, so here was a solution. Okay. So firstly, we divide 8 by x. Okay, so when we divide 8 by x, is 8 over x. Then when we multiply G to the result, right? When you multiply to the numerator. Okay? Yeah, I think I can open up here, which I can annotate easily. Yeah, so, not this one. Okay, so here, you see, when I multiply G to this result here, right? I multiply it as a G over 1, okay? That means I multiply this G to the numerator, not the denominator. Alright? Then we have 8G over X. And lastly, when we add Z to the answer, it will be just 8G over X plus Z. Alright, okay? Now let's go back. Okay, for those you see reconnecting, it's okay, okay? It's just my end, okay? It's not your end. Okay, so don't leave. Alright, so that's the solution. Now let's go to question number 3. Now it is a simplified question, okay? So do you all remember your... where's the question? The question ran away. Now you all can see the question, okay? Okay, come. Remember, okay, how do you simplify your expressions, okay? Yes, PSLE got algebra, okay? Unless foundation. Yeah, but standard got algebra. Okay, so this is PSLE algebra, okay? I think the answer purple again or white. Or if you see any black mark also, you can click that one. Pink also can, pink also hang. Okay, there's also a pink also, possibly the answer also. Okay, very good. Okay, so remember, it's the like terms. Remember to always group the like terms together. Okay, then you plus or minus accordingly. And then if you don't, the unlike terms, don't do anything with it if it's the only one. Alright. Okay, now let's go. Wow, okay. Soaring hand went up again to first place. Good job, okay? And then the rest are just new people who climb up back to the first 5 spot. Okay, we got the amazing gator there again. Majestic elephant. Okay, the elephant must be... Alright, then we got Captain Zebra and a magic dog. Okay, the magic dog, don't use your magic. With this Kahoot, don't cheat with your magic. Okay. So, now that you have seen this, okay, now let's go to the solution. Okay. So, you see the shaded portions, okay? Those that are in green is all the X family. Right? All those that are shaded in blue are the Y family. Then we have a Z alone there. Okay, the family member decided to push him away. Okay, put him one corner. Okay, go mix around with the X and the Y. Okay, so yeah, so the Z just stay there, mind his own business. Okay, Then what we do is we group the x together. So we got the 2x plus 3x minus 4x. So 2x plus 3x gives you 5x. Alright, then when you minus 4x, you got an x. Okay, so that's how you use how to simplify your x's. And then the y's. Okay, you got a minus 9y minus 2y. So you see here, you already intend to minus 9y. Now you want to minus another 2y. So it's like example. Okay, you thinking of going to the cookie can. Okay, now Chinese here a lot of cookies, right? Okay, so you intend to go to the cookie can to get 5 cookies, or maybe like in this example 9 cookies. You want to take out 9, but another cousin of yours tell you, hey, help me get 2 more cookies. So you need to go there, take how many? 9 and 2, right? So 11. That's why ended up we have a minus 11. And then lastly, the 15z, just 15z lah. You don't need to do anything with it because there's no other z in this expression. That's why eventually the answer is x minus 11y plus 15z. Okay? So remember, if you got a minus and a minus, okay, you will just get more minus. Unless the 9y was a plus. Alright? So unless the 9y was a plus, then you minus 2y, then you will end up with but that will be like plus 7y lah, okay, or minus 9y plus 2y. Okay, you are thinking of getting 9 cookies, but your cousin gave you 2 already, so you only left to take 7 more. Okay, so that's why there's that possibility of a minus 7y. Okay, but in this case you are thinking of taking 9, your cousin tell you to get 2 more, that's why you're going to take 11. That's why it's minus 11y. Okay, so any questions you have related to these questions, okay, that I'm going through, any of my solutions you are not sure, feel free to put on the chat. Okay, yeah, so far still easy lah. Okay, later there will be something a bit more challenging, a bit more. Don't worry. Okay, don't be scared. Okay, treat maths like your friend. Okay, then you will not be scared. Alright. Okay, so yeah, like I mentioned just now, right? We have our free Telegram group. Okay, where you can get free worksheets with the solution. Just go to Telegram and search for MasterMaths PSLE. Okay, especially for those doing PSLE maths this year, or those who are in primary 4, primary 5, you can also. Okay, if you got your siblings, your younger siblings, so you can share this with them also. Alright, go to MasterMaths, Master, Math, Maths, and then PSLE. Okay? Alright. So let's go to this next question. Another simplified question. Okay? So we're going to simplify 8x times 3 minus 4y divided by 2 plus 3x. Alright, for those in secondary school, I think you can also go to our Facebook page. Okay, there are some resources there also. You can go to Facebook, search for MasterMaths, okay? And you can see I think there's some Telegram for secondary school also. Okay, and some resources there also. Okay, there's a TikTok live also. Okay. Okay. 20 people answered. And we got 48 more seconds. Alright, so for this, you must remember your orders of operations. Okay, you all learned that in primary 5, right? Okay, can apply it here. Alright. Okay. Come on, let's go, let's go. Don't be shy. 23 more people. Let's go, 23 more people. 22 more now. And also don't accidentally press the wrong color, okay? I always have students telling me, Coach, alamak, I press the wrong color whenever we play Kahoot in class. Okay, so, yeah, but I think it's purple lah, okay? Alright, okay, yes, the answer is red. Okay, the answer is red. Alright, so remember your orders of operation. But before we go through the orders of operation, let's take a look at the rankings now. Okay, so we got Majestic Elephant with 3,600 points. Okay, just now Majestic Elephant it went up, right? It was, I think, second place or third place, right? Okay, so now it's at 3,600. Okay, so the first place right now is at 3,600 points. Okay, and then we followed by the Amazing Gator with 3,583 points. Okay, the Magic Dog at 3,472 points. Okay, then the Soaring Hen now is at 4th place. And the Kind Otter is now at 2,752 points. Okay, for this, let's go take a look at the solution from our notepad here. Okay, so remember we are going to use orders of operations. Alright, remember order of operation is what? We start with the we started with anything that's inside the bracket, right? But in this case, there's no bracket lah. Okay. Now we are at question 4. We got 4 more questions only. And then after that, we do our times and divide. Lastly, followed by the plus and minus. So in this case, there's no bracket. But remember, we must always do from left to right. So in this case, right, we got 2. We have a 8x times 3. We got a 8x times 3 and a 4y divided by 2. Okay. So we do the left one first. That's why we do the 8x times 3. And then what we have? 24x. And then we do the second one, which is a 4y divided by 2, and we have a minus 2y. Remember, that is a minus 4y. So a common mistake would be some students will accidentally change this to a plus. Okay, which we shouldn't be doing that lah, of course. Okay, so now we have this and this, 24x plus 3x. Then we plus them, and we ended up with 27x minus 2y. That's why the answer is number 1. Alright, so for those who are looking for our website, okay, our website is www.mastermaths.com.sg. Okay, for more info on our Telegram channel, also this is our Telegram channel. And after this, right, the sessions are usually recorded, okay, and you can rewatch them on our YouTube channel. Okay, so you can go to YouTube and search for MasterMathsTV. Okay, and you can see our Telegram, our secondary school life, and also our primary school life. Okay, and that's yeah. Okay, so those two, especially those two. So for those who are looking for secondary school, also you can also go to our YouTube and look out for our science, for our maths secondary school on YouTube. And then also there's primary school science there also. Okay, for those who wants to have practice more on your sciences also. Again, don't worry about this reconnecting. Okay, let me scroll down. Next. Okay, this one is a solution. Next. Okay, now if h equals to 5, find the value of 3h plus 5 minus h plus 7. Okay. Alright, so if h equals to 5, okay, how do you substitute? How do you use that value to find the value of this whole expression? Okay, how? Okay, you can choose to simplify, you can choose not to simplify, up to you. Okay. Okay. Very good. Okay, a lot of you got the correct answer. Okay, we got Why is there only 23 people who submitted? Okay, what about the rest? Do you all lost connection or anything like that? Or okay, those who lost connection, right, or those looking for the game pin is at the bottom of the screen. Okay, if you need to rejoin. Okay, let's see who is the top 5 now. Good job to the majestic elephant. You managed to maintain your first place. Okay, then we got the magic dog. Okay, so basically the first is at 4,505 points. The 5th place is now at 3,383 points. Okay, of course the first and the 5th very huge different now. Okay, but don't worry, still got chances. Okay, got 3 more questions. Okay, and then also for those at the bottom, maybe 7th place, 8th place, you all can still climb up. Okay, alright, let's look at the solution. Okay, so what we do, right, when we have a value, we can substitute it. Okay, we can replace the h with a 5. All the h that you see there, replace it with a 5. Alright, so alright, so you got 3h, so it's 3 times 5, then plus 5, then minus h is another minus 5, then plus 7. So there's a 5 minus 5 there. Okay, basically that cancel out each other lah. Okay, so then you are left with, but if I do from left to right, right, like I said, it's not supposed to do left to right lah. So 15 plus 5 is 20, then minus 5 becomes 15, then plus 7 becomes 22. Alright. Alright, okay, so again, if you got friends, okay, who are interested in doing more practice, or if yourself looking for more practice, feel free, hit up our Telegram at MasterMaths PSLE. Alright. Okay, now let's go to the next question. Solve for the value of x. Okay. Now we're going to solve. Just how we give you the value. Okay, now you try to find the value. Okay, why? Because there's an equals to 80. It's not anymore an expression. Okay, now we give you an equation. By using this equation, you have a, you can find the value of x. Okay, you got a 5x plus 25 minus 2x minus 20 equals to 80. Yes, you can do this in primary school algebra. Okay, Dila? Yeah, some schools are already doing these equations really. No lah, black minus white, and then plus purple plus pink, all plus. Can I do? Okay. Okay, come. Try your best. Okay, think of you can think of it like how you do your problem sum, right? Okay, if you got like 5 boxes, then you got 25, you got 20, then you got a minus 2x, like a minus 2 box like that. Okay. Okay, come on, 5 more seconds. Good job. A lot of you, okay, most of you selected the correct answer. Okay, good job. Let's take a look at the rankings. Good job. Wow, majestic elephant, you managed to maintain your position. Okay, got high chance that you can get the number 1 for today. Magic dog is very close. Okay, you also got an opportunity there. And then kind author, okay, maybe you need to answer slightly faster. And then maybe who know majestic elephant or magic dog, they accidentally answer only, you can got a chance. Okay, same goes with gentle mouse also. And we got a diplomat quail. Wow, like so very serious like that. Okay, only maths only. Okay, alright. So magic dog forgot to use magic. Yeah, I think so. Okay, but don't use magic to cheat here lah. Okay. Give chances to the rest also lah. The rest got no magic power. Alright, okay, so you still got chance, okay. Come, let's take a look at the solution. Alright, so here, right, what we do is we simplify first. Okay, how, remember just now you all did simplify, right? We apply it here also. Okay, so what we do here is we simplify, wrong button. Okay, 5x minus 2x become 2x. Same thing like just now, you see we group all the 5x in blue, we group the numbers in green. Okay, and then the numbers is plus 25 minus 20. So you ended up with 3x plus 5 equals to 80. Alright, for those who are a bit unsure, okay, I'm explain the linear method first, okay, the equation method on how you solve this. Then maybe later, after this, I will explain using a model. Alright, so here, we got a 3x, it's like a 3 boxes, and then got additional 5 here. That equals to 80, like the total is 80. So what I do is I remove this 5 first. So 3x is 80 minus 5 equals to 75. Okay, then x equals to, just now it's like 3 boxes is 75, like your unitary method, 3 units is 75. Then you just divide by 3 and you have 25. Alright, okay, so the x, the y's and all that are just like units. Okay, but if you got a combination of x and y, you must remember you cannot treat them as the same unit lah, of course. Okay, so in this case it's like you got 3 units and then got 1 additional 5 here, and the whole thing is 80. So when I minus the 5, I'm removing this 5 from here and minus the 5. Okay, that's how you got 75. Then 1 box is just divide by 3 equals to 25. Okay, so the next 2 questions will be problem sum questions. Okay, okay, is everyone ready for the problem sum? Okay, don't be worried. Okay, it's doable, don't worry. I also tried already just now. Alright, okay, come, let's go back to the Kahoot. Okay, don't worry, this is just my side connecting. Okay. Alright, so the solution, like I explained just now, okay, is the same. Okay, so eventually we will got the x equals to 25 lah. Okay. Alright. Yeah, for those who are looking for the pin is at the bottom there. Next. Next is you're going to type your answer, okay, into your phone now, of course, not on the chat. Alright, so Madam Siti bought 4x kg of beef at $7 per kg and 6x kg of chicken at $8 per kg. Now we need you to express the total amount of money she spent in terms of x. Okay, in terms of x. I am not looking for like a value, okay? I'm looking for the answer in terms of x. Okay, can you all see the question clearly? Okay, or those who are on the Kahoot, you're seeing the questions there also lah. Alright? Come on, let's go. Think of it, break it up, okay? You got the beef, you got the chicken. You got the price per kg for beef, you got the price per kg for chicken. And you got the amount she buy in kg of beef, the amount in kg she buy for chicken. Right? So how are you going to combine this together? Okay? Okay, come on, don't use AI, okay? Don't let AI control your life. Okay, but use AI for the right thing lah, of course. Okay? Alright, come on, let's go, let's go. We got 15 people who already answered. And we got 90 more seconds. Okay, so think slowly. Not too slow lah, of course, until no time. Okay, but think, don't be afraid. Break it up. Okay, I know it looks like 3 lines. Wow, like so difficult like that. A lot of information. Okay, but try, okay? And don't put answers on the chat lah. Later people copy from you how. Alright. Alright, okay. You got the beef, you got the chicken. Okay, at the same time, if you want to share, if you want others to see how you are doing on this live, okay, you can share the live also. If you already select your answer, you can go share the live. Share it to your friends. At the same time, those who are new, okay, that are looking at this live right now, never heard about MasterMaths before, you can click the follow. Okay, when you click the follow, you can see all our contents, all our upcoming posts and all that also. Even you can join in our upcoming live, alright? Okay, 30 more seconds for this problem sum. Alright? Okay, come, let's go, let's go. Rather do accounting. Accounting is maths, okay? It's applying maths only. The same. Okay. Okay, come, come. Less than 10 seconds left. Okay. We got 3, 2, 1. Very good. Okay. A lot of you put 6x. Okay. Okay, next. Oh, Magic Dog finally used his magic and climbed to the first place. Wow, he even pushed a lot of people under him. Wow, he must be like Dumbledore like that. Right. Oh, no. Magic Dog means must be Sirius Black. Okay, then we got the Diplomatic Quail in the second place. Wow, the Magic Dog first place and the second place, a lot of different. Okay, so that means I think Magic Dog got high chance today to win the first prize. Then we got followed by the Green Falcon. Okay, the Magic Stick Elephant is at 4th place, and followed by the Glad Dragon. It's a new contender to the top 5 position. Alright, so one more question for today, okay? And after that, we'll be able to know who got the first place. Okay, but before that, let's go through the solutions a bit more. Okay, so like what I said just now, we break it up. Alright, according to the beef, according to the chicken. Alright, so the beef, he bought 4, Madam City, right? Okay, so she bought 4x kg. So if 4x kg, alright, $7 per kg, what we do is we multiply together. Okay, like example, you go to a fish market, okay, the uncle say, this fish is 2 kg. And then the price is $10 per kg, example lah. Alright, then you take 10 times 2, right? So same thing here, you multiply them. Alright, even though there's an x there, you still can multiply. So when we multiply, we got 4x times 7. And 4x times 7, we take the 4 plus the 7, we got, 4 times the 7, we got 28x. Alright, so that's for beef. Okay, then we got the chicken. Chicken, same thing. 6x kg, the price is $8 per kg, so we multiply. And we get 48x. So now what happened? Okay, we got 28, we got 48. If you go to a shop, you buy things, eventually what they will do is they will plus the prices together, right? They won't be like, okay, now you pay me 28x, then you pay me 48x. No lah. Right? So they will plus. That's why I ask you to find the total amount. Total amount. Okay? Total amount, we take 28 plus 48, we got 76x. Alright? Okay? Is that clear? Anyone still a bit lost why the answer is 76 and not something else? Okay? And here we don't, you're not expected to know what's the value of x. Okay? Yeah, so you don't have to do like 76 multiplied by any other thing in the end lah. Unless there's like a part B to the question where they say if x equals to 5. or then you take 76 times 5 if they tell you the value of x is 5. Okay, alright, so is everybody ready now for the last question? Okay, but before we go to the last question, just another just to inform you again, we are on YouTube. Alright, so all our past recording, it is here. Okay, it's at MasterMathsTV. Okay, MasterMaths TV. And then after that, we also got a Telegram channel for those who wants to have more resources to practice on. Okay, go to t.me/mastermathspsle. Alright, for those who are in secondary school, right, you can also go to our YouTube and watch the secondary school live. Okay, and then from there also you can get more information on our resources for secondary school. Alright, okay, go to our YouTube, there's a lot of other things there. Alright, okay, and also you want to share, you can also share this TikTok with your friends. For those who are new, follow, okay, and share. Alright, okay, come, let's go to the last problem sum for today. Okay, again, don't worry, this is just my side reconnecting. For those who need the game pin, it's at the bottom of my screen. Okay, next. And next, again another type answer with a double point. Okay, Ali went to a bookstore and bought an assessment book, a storybook, and a notebook. Something you all usually do at Popular, right? And something that you can do. Okay, for those who are going to get the first place today. Okay, the notebook costs $3 less than assessment book. The assessment book costs $4 less than the storybook. And eventually, he paid 8n over $5. If n equals to 10, find the cost of the storybook. Okay? The game pin is at the bottom of my screen. Okay? Then you can type your answer there. Okay, find the answer, then type the answer. Okay, one person very fast already, got the answer already. Okay, you can use the comparisons. Okay, can use the comparison. Can use the comparisons, and you can find the answer. Okay, this is actually not a difficult question. All right. The amount he paid is basically the total. Okay, a bit of hint. Okay, the notebook is $3 less than the assessment book, so that's a comparison. Okay, the assessment book is $4 less than the storybook. Okay, and then lastly, the total price that he paid for, 8n over $5. 2 more minutes. Okay, for you to do your working. Alright. I think n is 100. I think only. I haven't do working. Okay. Alright, come on. Last question for the day. Okay. Put all your energy into it. Okay. Then after this can relax already. My brain not braining. Then you make it brain. Just knock your brain. Hey, go. But not too hard lah. Okay. Alright. We got 80 more seconds. Let's go. Okay. Use the comparisons. Okay. Use the comparisons there. No lah, counting supposed to improve your maths. Yeah, it's okay lah. Got a few more days to do it. Okay. Somehow Friday home-based learning. Don't stress lah. Study, don't stress. 60 more seconds. Let's go. Okay, drink more water. Units Yes, because you have to find the cost of the storybook. No lah, don't blame food coma on maths. 30 more seconds, okay? This is like a combine of your comparison model with algebra, okay? Think about it that way. Only 11 people answered. Alamak, so disappointing. Let's go, let's go. You got 13 more seconds. Remember, it's like comparison model with algebra, alright? Nine. Yes, answer is 9. Okay, so yes, correct. Okay, very good. Actually, those who never put unit also got accepted lah. Okay, that's why I got 2 of you, I think, never put unit. Okay, so here is the solution. Okay, so what I did was I draw a model. Okay, wait, let me use this one lah. Okay, so what I did was I draw a model first. So you see here, the assessment book was $4 less than the, I compared the notebook with the assessment book first. So the notebook is $3 less than the assessment book. So that's why a smaller box and a bigger box with $3 here. That's the first comparison. The second comparison is that the assessment book costs $4 less than the storybook. So the storybook will be a bigger box compared to the assessment book by $4. Alright, but then here got this 3, right? So what I do is I trace this downwards. So here also I write another 3. And the total 8n over 5. So same like just now, right? The solving of equation portion, right? Okay. What I do is I take away these portions here first. Right? Okay. But before that, I find the total first. Okay. Because I'm told that n equals to 10, right? So what I can do is I substitute into this 8n over 5. So it's easier for you to work with numbers. Once you have numbers, it's the same like your primary 4 comparison model question already. Alright, so 8n is 8 times 10. You got 80. Then you divide by 5. Remember, the denominator is a divide. And you get a 16. Alright, so now the total is 16. So this is your 3 units, right? So your 3 units is 16. I take away these 3, 3 and 4. So minus 3, minus 3, minus 4. And I got 6. Then I solve for my 1 unit. By doing 6 divided by 3, I got a 2. So what I do with this 2? Okay. The question is asking you to find the cost of the storybook, right? So where is the 2? The 2 is actually here. So I just 2 plus 3 plus 4 equals to 9. Alright. Alright, come. Before we end the Kahoot, okay, we're gonna know who's the top scorer for today. But before I announce the top score, okay, alright, so if you think that you may got a chance to win, okay, capture this screenshot, especially those who just now, previous question were in the top 5, okay, take a screenshot of this because later you need to scan this QR code, okay, to get your voucher, okay, or you can also go to the URL, tinyurl.com/liveclasswinner. Okay, so are you all ready to know who is the top scorer for today? Ready? Let's go. Number 3, we have Green Falcon. Number 2, Diplomat Quail. And number 1, we got Magic Dog. Okay, he's like, oh. Alright, then we got the Majestic and the Glad Dragon. Okay, at the 4th and 5th place. Okay, so good job everyone. Okay, so the Magic Dog, remember, just now the QR code, scan, okay, and claim your prize. Okay, now I'm going to share that same PDF again. Hey, wait. We have went through it, yeah. Okay, so this is the QR code again. Alright, so before you leave this live, remember to scan the QR code. Okay, Magic Dog, okay, and then you can get your prize. Okay, so before you leave, just for those who are new, follow. Okay, if you had fun, follow. Okay, and maybe the next live you can join earlier, you can get more points, and maybe you can get that voucher. Alright. Okay, so for those for Magic Dog, remember, scan, then you can leave. Alright, other than that, that's it from me today. It's been fun with you guys. That's it. And all the best for your holidays. Enjoy your Chinese New Year. Happy Chinese New Year to all those who are celebrating, and happy holidays for those who are just enjoying the holidays. Okay, and see you next time. Bye-bye.